Yeah. I'm not trying to mock anybody. Rather, I want to remind some of us for our previous mistakes. Maybe you can learn and retrieve your steps because it's never too late. Now listen. Wike, a political guy who knows how to play politics. Wike, you remember when you denied that you are not an Igbo man? You say you know be Igbo. No be so you talk. Say you came from Benin. Good. Now yesterday, you revise again and keep telling people that you are an Igbo man, that you are 100% Igbo. You are mama from so-so Igbo land. You are papa from so-so place. Wike, you are not Igbo. Lie, lie. Wike, you can never be Igbo man. You can never, on this planet Earth, you and your generation can never be Igbo man. Remember where you there with your oil. Our oil. From 13% to 3%. Immediately when they grab Nnamdi Kanu, they reduce it immediately. Do you know that Wike joined them to plan how to grab Nnamdi Kanu? No, they don't cash in Nnamdi Kanu. What they used to tell you, thank you, that to reduce that percent when they give Niger Delta, so-called Niger Delta. Where is Asare Dakubo? Asare Dakubo said he's going to fish Nnamdi Kanu out. Now, you have already fished Nnamdi Kanu out. What next? From 13% oil money when they give Niger Delta, they don't reduce them to 3%. Who lose? You see how your brain never work. Fulani and them be the master for the politics. Now, let me take you people to Edo. So many people in the Edo state, many, they go say, this Biafra people, these Igbo people are too get to Wahala. Biafra, like one boy with the Italy, where they call Wounded Lion. You know they let him and the Kanu rest. You know they let IPOB rest. You don't reach. Now Benin, they don't get Sultan of Benin. When the Sultan of Benin now don't come, small time, just give them like 2 or 3 years, then go kill Oba of Benin. Because now their system be that, they go kill him. Guys who go kill Oba of Benin, now still the same Benin person, now go kill Oba of Benin. When they kill him now Sultan go get full power. That's how they take the conquer now. When I say when they smart. When I say the Igbo man, I do na wahala. No be so. These Igbo people, they say fake pass. Every time, Biafra. When I go hear them now, I know they mock you. You never there too late. Make you revise. Oshomole don't gather wahala, keep for now. Don't disappear. Who they hear about Oshomole again? Now the Kanu came to save everybody. But surprise, some of you come the hate him. Now you don't see why now the Kanu they fight. You don't see him now? Retrieve your step. You never did too late. Come, let us be together. Fulani cannot penetrate anywhere when the people are united. They always go put problem. This one go say no Igbo. This one go say this Igbo people say they two get wahala. Before Fulani go come penetrate. You know why they enter now? They don't get their full soldiers who don't come from Afghanistan. The day Nigerians, I'm talking to you now. They are ready. They will convert you by force, whether you like it or not. What are you going to do? You say Igbo man is your problem. Now who is your problem? Is it Igbo man? Now the game is open. Unless your head know the work, now when you know go grab what they happen. Now you have to grab it. Igbo man is not your problem. The people of Niger Delta, oil. Which oil? Do you get oil? Go and see that you don't get oil. From 13%, where did they give owner? The day when they catch him down, they can the following day, they reduce them to 3%. Now 3% that they give Niger Delta people. Now you make Wike jump out. Say, I the Igbo man. Get out. Shot injury. Who take you as Igbo man? No cross our place. Drink that your oil. Only you get oil. Anambra where I came from, we get oil there. They will get oil in that place. You know, see, you know here our governor, when did they talk say, Anambra now, they want to take Anambra as one of the states where did they produce oil. You see, where is that Asare Dokubo? Mafians. Anytime when they call IPOB, that's what I go to carry on a chest. Like say IPOB kill any of your family member. IPOB just they fight, make it good for now. Now when you take hatred, they follow everybody. Hatred, they talk anyhow. See now, they don't come to conquer you fully. And nothing you can do with that Igbo man. Can you fight alone? You know, when would they protest for Igbo land? Biafra land? Where would they protest? You know, guess people where they carry come as a Mupu police. Now from Benin. They go bring them from Benin, Yoruba land, Benue, Tifi people, they go gather them. They will come, they shoot Igbo people. These Igbo people, these stupid people. They no one make people rest for Nigeria. Then they shoot. Now, guess what? The people where they go bring come give Benin people now. Because Benin they protest since yesterday. The police where go come shoot to Nana from Igbo people. You see how Fulani they manipulate everybody? Now when they bring Igbo people, now Igbo people, those stupid ones, will come begin to shoot all those police. Now when you understand saying Igbo, so that the hatred will germinate well, get power. You see how they play? Use their common sense, use their brain. They shout, oh, you oil. Which oil where you get? Zombie? Asare Dokubo. Which oil? You say you don't catch it, you don't fish it down the canal out. So how far? Instead of them to compensate you, they put you in a tight corner. Oh yeah? Make una start that una hatred. Igbo man don't be a problem. Go sit down, check your brain and know who be a problem. When I go hear about Fulani, just they don't reach Malachi now. They are almost on Malachi. Everybody in Nigeria go hear them. You see as they kill IPOB, they kill us, they go. When they laugh, they mock us. When a time they come slowly. Now run, you go run. You know see Afghanistan, what did they happen there now? If you no contact by force, they go kill you immediately. Now what thing will happen in Nigeria very soon? You go happen in Nigeria very soon. Just watch and see.